Hi everyone, my name is Sharon and I'm one of the creators of this channel that you've come to know and love over the last 8 years. The purpose of this video is to share some updates about the channel going forward. BG has decided that he wants to completely step aside from creating new content and the direction that the channel takes, so he's leaving it up to me about what to do with this channel. We set out to make this channel for BG to share his expertise in cooking and charcuterie, and I think we did a great job of that. That is not my area of expertise, and so going forward, I am not going to be adding any new content to this channel. I am also going to begin the process of closing down the website. So if there's recipes that you want, please go and get them before this summer when my website hosting will end. I will keep the videos on this channel live for you to continue to watch if they're useful for your reference. So what now? What do I have planned going forward? I've thought a lot about this, and my expertise is in baking, and something that I really love to do is tell stories. So I'm creating a new YouTube channel for this purpose, and the name of that channel is The Story Dish. And what I plan to do is not focus on instruction. Instead, I just want to show you how I make a dish, and I want to tell a story while doing it. My father was a baker and my mother was a professional cake decorator, and so I grew up around all things baking related. So this is an area where I feel like I can really thrive, and I've decided at this point in my life that if I want to invest energy in something on another side hustle, that it has to be something I'm in love with and not something that I think is a chore to do. I'm really excited about this new direction. It's going to be a super fun adventure. I love being creative, and this is something new and exciting that I can really sink my teeth into. I also so appreciate your viewership and your support. If you want to continue to support me and my content creation, there's a link to my Patreon for you to contribute to me. Please hop on over to The Story Dish and check out the new content that I've created over there. Thank you so much for being here, for your support, your grace, your understanding, and your enthusiasm to support me as I continue to create content. I'll see you there.